Hello friends, today we are going to see in this video how to add a subscribe button on your video using KineMaster. Please download this green screen template from the description box. Now ready to edit. Open KineMaster application. Click the plus icon and select 16:9 ratio screen. The editing window now opened. Click the media icon and select your video. The video now placed. Choose the timing for placing your subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button. And now click the layer option and select the image icon. Select downloaded green screen template. The template now placed. Now adjust the green screen size and choose the place for entry. Now select the chroma key option from the editing tools. Here, tap the enable button and adjust the correct background color. Now, click the tick option. Your subscription button is successfully placed. Once play your video, the subscription button is correctly placed or not. Finally, click the share icon and export your video. We hope you like this video. If like this video, please hit the like button and share your comments. 2. Online library. And thanks for watching.